Just ridiculous. What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I've been pretty mad all day, literally all day. And there's a big reason why. And you probably know why because you clicked into the video and the title was pretty strong. Probably the thumbnail was pretty strong, but I ran into a huge situation today and it just pissed me off. So I'm gonna get into what actually happened and you know, we can go from there to see if anybody else have the same issues or if it was solely just me or if this is their plan to do things from here on out. Before I get into it, please hit the like button. We want to get this to 100, maybe even like 1,000 likes, just so that we get this video up to the top. I would really appreciate that so that everybody's aware of what's going on with American Express. I know my channel is not huge, but I would like everybody to know of a horrible situation that happened to where points are revoked. So go ahead and hit that like button. Also comment down below and let me know if, you had any problems with American Express. That'll really, help my situation out and help the cause out. Also hit the subscribe button. So if you're not familiar with my channel, I do a lot of credit card reviews. My first credit card review was on the American Express Gold card on this channel. And I would say the video quality wasn't really that great. And I also did an updated review on the Gold card just when I got my points and all the different things that happened with that card leading up to that video. So I ran into a situation today to where I didn't receive my points or my points were revoked from me, and that's something that really pissed me off, and I had to call in and get a full explanation on why that actually happened. So I'm going to break down my timeline and you tell me if this is wrong in any way. So I applied for the Gold card in December 2018 to where they had the offer of the 50,000 rewards points for 2,000 spend. Now I hit that spend within a month and it didn't really take too much time. They literally hit me with a time to where I needed to pay a lot of things. So within half a month I had the amount, or I spent the amount that I needed to spend. It took me a while. I know they recommend that it's like, I think it's like 8 to 12 weeks or something, but I actually went through a whole situation to where I didn't get my points because they just had some sort of situation they needed explaining on, cards that I had closed and other cards that I had open, things like that, which didn't make sense because I didn't have many cards open when I got the card. It was literally once I got to like the 2-month mark, that's where I had more cards open. So that's neither here nor there. Let's just leave that how it is. I was told I was qualified for the bonus. I called customer service way ahead of time, right when I applied for the card or after I applied for the card, just to get any type of information to see if I'm still I'm qualified for it. Because I read some things saying that they can take things back at any time, and I'll get into that in a little bit. So I wanted to make sure I was qualified, wanted to hear it from a customer service agent. They told me that I was qualified. I will receive the bonus when I hit my 2,000 spend. So I was like, all right, they can't do anything now. I mean, someone told me that I will receive it. So I'm qualified, it's gonna happen. Then I received the bonus in April of 2019. So that's about when I made the second video, which was about 5 months, closer to 6 months. I think it was at the end of April. So that's when I made my second video, when I received the points, because I wanted to make sure I received the points before I did any update. So I received the points. I was happy. I had about 60,000 some odd points. So plus, the 50,000 plus all of the spend that I had. But then everything kind of, went downhill. So the bonus was actually taken back. Which is something I never heard of, but apparently they can do that. So the bonus was taken back in May of 2019. That was when it was approved to be taken back, but then they took it back closer to like today or yesterday. And that's where, things really it just pissed me off, the whole entire situation. So when they took that back, I really didn't know what was going on. So, I actually received a call from them giving me like a status update and things, just from a recent call that I've had with them, and called them back and tried to get an explanation, which the lady had no explanation. It was literally just like, you applied or you received too many bonuses with American Express in your past, so you are not qualified for this bonus. That would make sense, you know, if I actually had a bunch of other American Express cards. And since I have one American Express card, I don't see how that would be a problem receiving one bonus, which I did not receive, by the way. I never got a bonus from that card. I have the Blue Cash Everyday card. And that was a problem. I kept explaining to her, what bonus did I receive? Give me all this information telling me what bonus I received. And all she had was just the blanket statement that I received too many American Express bonuses. And that's what they denied me on. That's what they came back and took my points on. So I have another card. That card was the Blue Cash Everyday card, and it was open in 2016. That's 3 years ago. 2016. I don't understand, if someone opens a card and then they go 3 years and they did receive a bonus, you're telling them that they cannot get another bonus because they received an American Express bonus 3 years ago? Are you kidding me? I'm sorry for all the curse words. I really don't mean to curse, but it really pisses me off. And I don't know if they know what they're talking about. So I requested to speak with a manager, with someone that's above that person. And she just told me that I'm going to receive the same information that she's giving me. And my response was just that, I mean, your manager has more pull than you, so he'll probably be able to see that there's a freaking mistake here. And since there is this mistake, maybe I'll get my points back. Like, that just doesn't make sense. If I applied for the card because I wanted the bonus and I wanted all the point structure, then I should be able to get the bonus. That's your way of bringing people in. If you don't give them that because of a flawed system, then you're just doing a bait and switch. Am I right? Like, I just want my points. That's pretty much all I said. So I really have 3 problems with this whole situation with American Express. And I hope that they see this. I really hope that everyone likes this video. Actually, you know, before I continue, hit the like button and make sure this gets 100, 1,000, however many likes it can get, so that it bumps this video up to the top so everybody sees that they shouldn't apply for American Express card solely because of the bonus, because they may you over on this card. So I'm not going to, that's 3 curse words already. I think my limit is like 5. So please help me, stop me at 5. But I'm really pissed off. I was cursing a lot more earlier today. Not on the phone. I try and dial myself back when I'm talking to customer service, but it's so frustrating when they don't know what they're talking about. And when you have that blanket statement that I was just receiving too many American Express bonuses, and I only have 2 cards with them, and one of them has a bonus. The other one I had 3 years ago. It really doesn't make sense. So I want to know, how is this too many cards? How is this too many offers? Please tell me, anybody from American Express, how is it too many offers? Also, I didn't obtain a bonus. If I never received an actual bonus, then I shouldn't be held accountable for receiving a bonus. I don't even know if they were offering a bonus back then. Maybe they were, maybe they weren't. I don't know, but I never received one. Even if I was offered it, I don't think I was into getting the minimum spend, because back then I really didn't care about bonuses as much as I do now. And then number 3 is just American Express. And it's not about their cards. Obviously, their cards hold a lot of weight. It's just the fact that I don't like wasting my time in dealing with customer service. If you have an unhappy customer, then just make them happy. It's as simple as that. Like, goodness gracious. So right now I don't have the points. I did tell them to have the manager reach out to me because that's the process. You have to wait 2 to 3 business days before the manager can review everything and reach out to you. They can't just get the manager. So now I have to wait more days. I've been dealing with this for however many months. The whole entire time I've had the gold card, I've been dealing with this. And it's all because of these stipulations. I'm actually gonna go through it before I end this video because I don't just wanna drag this on. But there is an agreement you really need to look at, and I'll make sure I put it up on the screen. The agreement says, if we in our sole discretion determine that you have engaged in abuse, misuse, or gaming in connection with the welcome offer in any way, or that you intend to do so, for example, if you apply for 1 or more cards to obtain a welcome offer that we did not intend for you, if you cancel or downgrade your account within 12 months after acquiring it, or if you cancel or return purchases you made to meet the threshold amount. We may not credit the membership rewards points to, we may freeze the membership rewards points credited to, or we may take away the membership rewards points from your account. We may also cancel this card account and other card accounts you may have with us. So I don't understand this. They're basically saying that my situation is that I have 1 or more cards to obtain a bonus when 1 was open in 2016 and 1 was open in 2018, the end of 2018. So I don't know what the hell they're talking about. There's 2 cards there. I'm not abusing anything. And 1 didn't even have a bonus. So then let me actually get to the other piece. So this is the thing that stuck out to me. American Express reserves the right to modify or revoke offer at any time. So I mean, they can take it whenever they want to. If you had the money or you had the points in your account, they can take it whenever they want if they feel like you were gaming the system at the time. If they feel like you're applying for too many cards after you already received the bonus, they can take it at any time. I'm not sure if it works if you have a negative balance. If we would have spent it, then that would have been a different story. But this is just insane. And I don't want to drag this on for too long. So I'm not saying that I'm going to cancel the card because it obviously has a great benefit to it and I profit off of it no matter what. But I'm really pissed off with the fact that I did not get my points. Well, I did get my points and that they took them back. That was the big issue. It's a huge problem and I'm really tired of it, really tired of dealing with customer service. But I'm hoping that they can get back to me and give me my points. And if they do, I'll give you an update on everything that went through in that situation. But I appreciate everybody watching this video. I really do appreciate it so much. If you like this video, you know what, it doesn't even matter if you like it. Please give this video a thumbs up so that, you know, everybody's aware of this situation, of this fine print. Yeah, hit the like button. Also comment down below. Let me know your thoughts if this happened to you. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I make videos not like this, hopefully not like this, but credit card videos, personal finance videos, all types of things like that. So hit the subscribe button. But I'm gonna have to get out of here. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.